Hello, 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 and welcome to Rhonda Said. I am Rhonda. I love saying things. I'm super glad to see you here today. I hope you're having a great day or day of choice. Please like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. I'd really appreciate it. I love saying things. I love saying things about lots of things. Today I have a bone to pick with Boxycharm. That was my cat jumping around the room. Boxycharm sent me a notification about 10 days ago saying that my Boxy premium was going to be late. Today is September 29th. Tomorrow is the last day of the month, and this is when the video is going up on the 30th, and it just barely got here for this month. So sorry that I wasn't able to unbox this sooner. It's come in really rough conditions. I'm hoping things inside are not broken. If they are, then customer service will hear from me, young ladies and gentlemen. They will get 2 cents from me. Oh my God. Boxycharm Premium. Real life runway. Strut your runway. Strut your runway. What? We're going to strut our runway, girls and guys and monkeys and platypuses. We're going to strut the runway. Strut, strut the runway, and strut the runway. Strut, strut the runway. And everything is written on here, and it's very tiny. So I'm going to have to put on my spectacles. My librarian glasses, if you will. Very nice. Now I can read. And I'm going to get my calculator out. My trusty calculator, so we can see what the value of this box is. This box is about $40 a month. And it is, you get more stuff than the base box, and it's usually better brands. Well, that remains to be seen today. The first thing I'm going to pull out has a really beautiful package. Oh, it's from Benefit. Look how beautiful. Oh, look. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's got like a little hippie face. It's really beautiful and very shiny. And it says California Kissin' Color Balm. And I love a colored lip balm. And this says, this richly pigmented moisturizing lip balm provides up to 8 hours of smooth, luxurious wear. This cushiony formula contains wild mango butter to help moisturize lips and hyaluronic acid to keep lips feeling smooth, plump, and hydrated all day. And this was tested on 20 women. It says the 8 hours had an asterisk. That was tested on 20 women. 21 bucks. Which is not bad for a high-end lip balm. Let's see what this bad boy looks like. Oh, it comes with like instructions that are written even more tiny. Look how tiny that is. Even more tiny than the card that I have. Oh, this is so cool looking. Look at this. It's got that pretty hippie face girl on it. And it's clear at the top so you can see the color. It's a great color. Look at the base. It's kind of like a flower. All right, Benefit. This is in color cherry. I love that color. I love it. I'm not going to swatch it just yet because I already have some beautiful dark lipstick on, which is Man Eater from Gerard Cosmetics. But that's beautiful. Cherry. I love cherries. I even have cherries tattooed behind my ears. I love cherries so much. And this says stuff about the lip balm. Anyway, so that's cool. 21 bucks. Next we have Dear Midnight. Dear Midnight, I never thought this would happen to me. What is this? Let's get the card. Dear Midnight, Star-Crossed Eyeliner Duo. This eyeliner duo contains 2 creamy, long-wearing, intensely pigmented pencil eyeliners that are perfect for creating clean, precise lines. They're using all over as an eyeshadow. $38. It's a new launch for Boxycharm. Let's take a look. The box is a little worse for wear. And it tells you how to use on the back. And if you don't know how to use a pencil, oh, this packaging is delightful. It's got little stars and moons. Delightful packaging. Looks like we have a black and a silver. Let's see that silver. That silver barely shows up. How are you going to use that? Let me go in ham with it. Oh, that's terrible. I even like bent the crayon. That is not so good. Let's see the black. The black is better, but I use liquid liners. So these are, I guess they're okay. It's 50% of it's okay. The silver is, you can't even really see that. If I'm gonna have a silver eyeliner, damn it, I want a silver eyeliner. I want it to like strike fear in the hearts of vampires. You know, silver vampires. Bad news together. Tula Skincare Brighten Up Smoothing Primer Gel. I love a primer. And this brighter, smoother looking skin is here with this yuzu packed, I love yuzu, packed silicone-free face priming gel, non-comedogenic formula, grips makeup without clogging pores, plus bursts onto skin, creating instant cooling and refreshing sensation. $34. I like Tula, but I'm really into this thorn oil from Ritual de Fille, so I can't see myself using this primer anytime soon. But it's a nice size. And it looks cool. It smells good. It smells very citrusy from the Uzu. Uzu! We love Uzu! Alright, so that's that. Then we have another banged up box from One Size Beauty. And this is the Micro Brow Defining Pencil, Brow Kiki, in medium brown, which is a great color for me. Let's see if we can't get this out. And it says, One Size by Patrick Starr, Brow Kiki Micro Brow Defining Pencil. Here's the tea. This 12-hour waterproof, smudge-proof, retractable brow pencil has a sturdy, precision chip for next level detailing. Fill in the blanks with real hair-like strokes. MSRP $19. Let's see. That's a good color right there. That's a good color. Cool. I'll put it with my brow stuff. So $19. Then we have, we're almost done, LMS Superfood Fruit Vinegar Liquid Glow Radiance Facial Toner. Apple, apricot, and cactus brightens, enhances, balances, and exfoliates. And I love an exfoliating toner. I really do. And this is infused with glow-getting AHAs derived from the apple vinegar, apricot, and peach. It gently exfoliates, revealing radiant, smoother-looking complexion, improved clarity and texture. And it helps with pollution, whatever. Appearances of pores. Natural prebiotic, helps maintain skills microbiome. Whilst prickly pear, cactus nourishes the skin. Mild enough for twice a day use. This glow boosting toner leaves skin feeling balanced and looking radiant. $36. Let's take a peek-a-loo. I'm still going through some Charlotte Tilbury toner that I got from Influencer. Oh, this is a really cool bottle. Oh, and it's the kind where you press down and it comes out the top and then you use your little cotton pad. Very cool. I'm not gonna use it just yet because, like I said, I'm still in the middle of a Charlotte Tilbury toner from Influencer, which I reviewed in exchange for free product, which is always cool. Then last but not least, we have an Iconic London palette, which are usually pricey. Do I think they're usually worth the price? No. I just don't think that Iconic London is the shiznit. But it's always nice to get a palette in the box. And it says Dusk to Dance eyeshadow palette. Oh, this is pretty. It's very pretty. It's a nice color story. I might give it a go, or it might end up as a good Christmas present because I have like 250 palettes. But this is really beautiful. It's really beautiful. It's great. It's a great palette colors. And it says, Iconic, this perfect dance floor companion, no matter where you're headed, features 20 new highly pigmented shades that suit every skin tone. It'll leave you spoiled for choice. The velvety soft texture and selection of matte shimmers and glitters will make your eyes pop from day to night. $62. I told you it was expensive. So for this about $40 box, we got $229 in value, which is pretty good. And I'm pretty happy about a lot of the things. I'm excited about the brow pencil, the tinted lip balm, the toner. I'm not really excited about these eyeliners at all. This primer is probably just fine. And this palette is gorgeous and not too shabby. So I want to thank you guys so much for being with me here today. Hopefully Boxycharm will send me my stuff earlier than the very last day of the month. So hopefully you guys watch this because, you know, you guys rock and I love you. Oh, I love you. I honestly love you. Anyway, if you stayed around to the end, just let me know and say what your favorite dance is. So we'll see. And if you do that, then I will give you a heart in the comments. And I will thank you very much. Have a great day of your choice. We'll see you real soon. Bye.